Now I switch on the next question. And the next question you please write. Introduce yourself, daily schedule. It's a project and record and send me the video 3 times without any copyright. That means what? You have to make a video about either on introducing yourself or your daily schedule, what you are doing day to day, very must doings you are doing. And it's a project. You make a 3 videos of anyone, that means introduce yourself or daily schedule, 3 videos. I will check which video is has become very good and I will give the mark. And also one thing is that you have not to catch any notebook or any dependence. You have to not to take. You have to make of your own. That means be natural, no need to see any notes and anything. Just be natural and what the things are needed for name, then school, then which school name, then what you love in your leisure time, what's your favorite sport, and what do you want to be. That's some other things you have to introduce yourself if you are telling about introducing introduction. So ever if you are telling about daily schedule, what's your day to day works, then also you can tell. So for this no need to see the copies and all. You can make and you please send me 3 times. And I can understand. So when you will be sending third times, the third times will be your third times your video will be really very good. Because first of all, you maybe first time you can be scared, second time you may be more confident, or third time you will be really very confident. So I want to check your this one. So every month we will have a video on any matter, but this is for exam. So make 3 videos and send to me so that I can check what is the problem or what's the improvement is coming is going on in your speaking. Is that clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you want to ask me anything regarding this question?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, I just want to ask you that we have to make the video now.
No need to do video now. You have to after the session also you can make, no problem. So you when you will be
Ma'am, means
sending me,
today
then
or tomorrow.
tomorrow, by tomorrow you send me. Okay. But take any 3 videos you will make, only one option you will take, either introduction or daily schedule. Sometimes one video has made introduction, another video you have made daily schedule. Then I cannot check that where which part of the thing is going on, or we have to improve in you. So you make introduction. If you are making by introduction, then 3 videos only about introduction of yourself, that should be. Or if you are making daily schedule, then daily schedule you make 3 videos. And topic is will be the same. Topic should not change. Anyone you can choose. Did you get my point?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So I will check it and I will tell you what the points are there. Okay, next we are going to the next question. Identify any 3 qualities that you have in you. Think and share it to us. Did you understand this question? Any one of you, please tell me.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Tell me what
Ma'am,
did
we
I
will.
mean? What did I mean? Karan, tell me.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we will told our quality qualities
Yes,
that
you
we
have
know.
to, you know about what qualities you have. Many qualities you have, as I can understand, but you have to choose only 3 qualities. That's really very important, and that's really matters in your success or in your study. And you are going on, you are doing very well in your studies and all everything. So, what are the 3 qualities? Only 3 qualities you have to mention. And by you have to think. So far you have to think what are the 3 qualities you have, and you have to write in your copy, and after that you have to share it. So please do it for now, and I am giving you some second, and please do it.
Yeah,
and
I'm done.
then you will be sharing. Okay, Karan, did you did you write, Shikha?
No.
Okay, please write your three qualities. What qualities do you have? And then
Yeah, ma'am,
we
I
shall
wrote
be.
that.
Okay, so please, Karan, you tell me what the three qualities you have that you are really improving, like that, that one.
Okay, ma'am. At my home and my school, sorry, ma'am. First, at my home and my school, there are many friends. Some are rich and some are poor. But I didn't mock my poor friends. But I didn't mock anyone and my also my poor friends. In Hindi, it means मेरे घर पे और मेरे स्कूल में मेरे बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं. कुछ बहुत अमीर हैं और कुछ अमीर हैं और कुछ गरीब हैं. बट मैं कभी भी किसी का मजाक नहीं उड़ाता, खासकर गरीब लोगों का, मेरे गरीब दोस्तों का. सेकंड, आई ऑल्सो हेल्प पुअर पीपल. मैं गरीब मैं गरीब मैं गरीबों की मदद कर मैं हमेशा गरीबों की मदद करता हूँ. थर्ड, आई ऑलवेज टेल ट्रुथ एंड आई ऑलवेज रिस्पेक्ट माई एल्डर्स. मैं हमेशा मैं कभी झूठ नहीं बोलता और अपने बड़ों का आदर सम्मान करता हूँ. आदर करता हूँ, सम्मान, लाइक दैट.
Very good, boy. Very good. Yeah, because becoming very good one in your life, you have to know your qualities. Your qualities. If you are not knowing your qualities, then you cannot be aware what is going, how you can improve in your life. So you are telling that you told that you don't mock anyone, so far as that person is rich or poor, that doesn't matter. You don't mock them, and you also love your friends who are not poor, who are not rich, then also you love them. Second question quality you have, you love, you sometimes help the poor people too, and that's really very nice. And next one, third quality you have, you are respecting elders, and also you are not telling lie in any time. So that's the three qualities, that means four qualities you have. You have mentioned here. So very good. These qualities you just go on, efforts, take efforts on them to make these qualities improved in you so much, and that will make change your life so far. Very good. So Shikha, please tell me, you are getting, you, yes, you are getting next here, you are getting 5 out of 5 here, because there I didn't get any mistakes, correction, in correction in grammars and all. You have shared everything nicely, so you are getting 5 out of 5. Yeah. So Shikha, please tell me what's your qualities, three qualities that you have in you.
Okay, ma'am. And first quality is I help all persons if they have needed me, like that. I help all of them.
If they need me,
And
if they need
yeah,
me.
ma'am.
Okay.
If they need me,
Yeah,
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 ma'am.
yeah.
And second is I give the food who is hungry more than me. And third is I respect and does the help of my grandmother, and she said to everyone that Shikha does a lot of work. Shikha does a lot of work for me.
Yeah, this sentence you again tell me. You, I gave.
Ma'am, I respect and does the help of my grandmother.
Okay, so does will be not there, beta. You have to write.
I do.
I
Ma'am, do.
do.
Sorry, ma'am.
I do, or
हमने do ही लिखा है.
I help her in every time, like that also you can say. I help.
हमने do ही लिखा है.
Okay,
Yeah,
I
ma'am.
do. I do. I will be does
Okay,
not
ma'am.
be there. Very
Ma'am,
good.
I do ही लिखा है.
Yes, very good. So next. These three qualities you have. You have shared, I think, every qualities here.
Yeah, ma'am. And I help to everyone. And
Yeah,
I give the food after
yeah.
that.
That one, first of all, you help everyone. You give the food whenever it is necessary for you to give, who is really more than he is hungry more than you and more hungry than you. And next one, you are helping your grandmother, and she is always, your grandmother is always speaking highly of you, that you are really very good. Shikha is really very good. Yes, very good. So you are helping, you are working at home also, and also you are working for your study. That's really very good. You are taking you are making out of your time, making time to manage everything, your home also and your study also. That's really very nice. That's really a smart girl can do. That's the thing. So that's really very nice. Yes. And you have written I do, not does, is it?
Yeah, ma'am. I didn't do.
Okay, very good. So you are also getting the same mark, total mark 5 out of 5. Okay. Yeah. Now the extempore speech. That extempore speech I will not take today. I will leave it for tomorrow. Tomorrow we shall be discussing extempore speech, and you have to say something about extempore speech. I am telling now what is to be done, and tomorrow I want to know directly of all the answers of extempore speech, and that is English grammar. And next one is school bags. You have to say home, then online classes, then time. About time you have to say whatever you know. Then about your father you have to say that. Birthday you have to say. Next one, water bottle, mirror, WhatsApp. Childhood time means you have to say something about childhood time. And next you have to say something about home institution where you are, we are learning, we are getting very good informations, like that. You have to say something what you are feeling, not to say in not to say, not to praise. That means, oh, home institute, it is really very good, this one is this one, that one. No need to say like that. Be natural, always, always be natural. What do you feel? The thing you are feeling, that thing, same to same you have to say. No need to say something more, and no need to say something more less. No need to do all these things. Just you have to abide by just a home institution. You are coming, you are reading, and this time is session going on, and for how long you are reading here, this thing, that thing, whatever you know, this one you will tell. No need to base, my god, very good, and oh, this thing. No need to show off. Do not show off of anything. Just be natural. What do you get from home institution? That one you have to just share, and nothing else. Always try to be natural. No need to show off, because show off has no meaning. But naturality has really have a feeling, have a touch, and that is really very nice. Okay, did you understand? Yeah.
Yeah,
So
ma'am.
more these things are done. I think we have covered everything here. Just one thing is remained, that video is remaining, and after that we don't have anything to uh, write here. So I will give you today one grammar structure. Please write this one, and after that only one grammar structure I will give you, and after that we will get over from the session. Did you write?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, please write. hmm. उजाला हो रहा है. उजाला हो रहा है.
Ma'am, this is homework.
No dear, it is not homework. It is a topic, new topic, grammar structure.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay.
अंधेरा हो रहा, सॉरी, उजाला हो रहा है. So you ho raha hai, you just underline it.
Yeah, ma'am, done.
And right answer, it is being dark. It is being dark.
Noted, ma'am.
Being, you underline.
Done.
Next one you write.
Yeah, ma'am. And this is third sentence.
It is not third, it is the new sentence structure, grammar structure.
No, ma'am. First you will say अंधेरा हो रहा है, then उजाला हो रहा है. Ma'am, you said only उजाला हो रहा है.
उजाला हो रहा है. उजाला हो रहा है.
Yeah, ma'am. Sorry.
Now right, please, it is being dark now. Dark is अंधेरा. It is being उजाला हो रहा है. It is being lighting. It is being light.
Ma'am, you have to write that. उजाला हो रहा है, अंधेरा हो रहा है.
No, उजाला हो रहा है. उजाला means light, no? It is being light. And अंधेरा हो रहा है. It is being dark. Complete?
Yeah, ma'am.
शाम हो रही है.
Noted.
What is the answer?
Ma'am, it is being evening.
It is being evening. Yes, very good. So again, you one thing. Did you write Karan like this?
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
Okay, Shikha, please make him
Ma'am,
understand.
what is the ma'am, not that thing. What is the sentence is going on? Number third or number second? Third. Okay.
Third sentence, did you write?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the sentence and what is the answer?
शाम हो रही है means it is being evening.
Very good. फिर again you write another one.
Yeah, ma'am.
बादल छा रहा है.
Yes, ma'am.
What is answer?
It is being cloudy. The weather is being cloudy.
It is being cloud.
Okay. Yeah, ma'am. Same.
तेज हवा हो रही है.
It is being.
First of all, you write, dear. Write the sentence.
Yes, ma'am. And it is being wind fastly.
It is being wind heavily.
Heavily, okay. I'm noted.
Right. शोर हो रहा है. No need to make it. You make it and I will see tomorrow. शोर हो रहा है. शोर, do you know शोर?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yeah. शोर हो रहा है. This is your homework. You make it. Okay. 2 homework I gave. Sorry, that one is not homework. That is your project work. One is video. You have to make 3 videos of any topic. And this question answer you will make. Okay.